want to try that?
Oh, you want to choke me the fuck out? Oh, you want to choke me out, girl? My grandparents could not find me for weeks.
Do you hear me?
Okay, but if you were more respectful about it, I'm just saying.
Officers got an anonymous call about some driver going nuts on the road, swerving like crazy, causing chaos. They rush in, suspecting something's up with the driver. And boy, were they right. The body cam footage of the police talking to the lady behind the wheel takes an unexpected turn. And let me tell you, what the police inspectors found in her car will leave you shocked.
I'm so glad y'all got her. We thought she was going to kill people like 5 or 6 times on her way home. She went all the way in the left lane and was head on with cars that were parked on Scenic going south. And there was a police officer on the...
Yeah, that was me.
That was you?
Uh-huh.
But she was like twirling her hair, and then she's like going
Like not a care in the world, you know?
So I was going to go pick her up so I can go to the dispensary, get what I need, and then bring it back home. If you want to, I can show you my medical card.
Okay, has a question.
Do you have a prescription for Xanax bars? No? Have you taken any? Alright. Hang tight. Let me get some gloves. Because I believe they're sitting right there in the driver's seat.
For me, it pretty much stays simple. The Tylenol, ibuprofen.
Ma'am, is your ID in your purse?
Yes, it is.
Alright, I'll get it. I'll get it. Hey, I said I'll get it. Stand over there at the end of your car.
Yeah, you guessed it right. That's Xanax. And the audacity of this girl? Openly defying orders from the officer. Boy, I could tell you right now, this girl had a bad ending coming to her. Now, what do you think is going to happen? Drop your predictions in the comments below.
Do you hear me?
Okay, but if you were more respectful about it, I'm just saying.
Alright,
If we're all humans here, if you were more respectful about it, I'm just saying.
where's your ID at? Is it in here?
Can I look for my wallet? Well, like, why are you
I got
looking
it.
for my wallet? No, the thing is, that's my property. You have no choice.
Actually, I do, because I found friggin' Xanax bars on your driver's seat. If you want to explain something, explain those.
Girl, the fact that you're just
218,
looking
copy
for my
forwarded, yeah.
stuff.
They were in plain view.
Yep.
That makes a difference.
Oh, were they in plain view?
Yeah, your butt was covered.
Okay.
Here, will you do me a favor and go sit on the...
No doubt, she's definitely under the influence of something. I mean, is she even making sense? And who the hell argues with an officer after they found drugs in their car? It's like a plot twist you'd never expect. But hang on, we're not done yet. Let's keep watching to see her not following orders. The drama's just getting started.
Really inspected your car yet to verify that, but you were found here. She's getting out with you. You were called in as a drunk driver. Okay. Hey, I've asked you nicely. You asked me to be respectful, didn't you? Have I not been respectful with you? And you're not doing what I asked you. Okay. Would you like to sit down on the grass over there?
I can't sit down in my car.
No, you cannot.
What if I just have like my hands up, everything?
No, you're not getting back in your car. You can sit on the grass over there, or we can sit in the back of this car here, whichever one you prefer. Okay?
I'm gonna get my phone.
No, you're not. You're staying right here.
Okay, but why can't I get my phone to like at least have?
You're not getting back in that car until they're done.
Okay, but I feel like I should be able to. It's my right to like record anything that's happening in
Everything's
my life.
being recorded right here.
I know, but why can't I record it for myself?
You're not going back in that car.
But why can't I record?
You can request this recording.
You can come with me to my car. My phone is right on that seat. One of y'all can come to me to that seat to get my car. To let me videotape, because that is my human right. That is the bare minimum y'all can do. So I can go to my phone is right there. Look behind you.
So, you have any idea why we're here?
Apparently what man's saying was I was drunk driving.
Okay, I take it you wasn't drunk driving.
No, I'm not drunk driving.
The girl is like a walking billboard for being either drunk or under the influence of some serious narcotics. The police officers decide to field test her sobriety, and surprise, surprise, she obviously fails the test. No way around it. The officers have no option but to slap the cuffs on her. But hold on, she wasn't gonna let them arrest her that easily. Brace yourselves and check out what unfolds next.
Okay, wait, actually,
Face the car. Spread your legs for me. Face the car. Spread your legs. Spread your legs.
I'm looking for retro
Spread your legs.
harassment. Ooh, damn, girl, touching me up and shit.
Face down. I said face down. She's straight. She's good.
Can I touch my titties, bro?
It's all on camera.
Get off all my shit, bro. I mean, you guys are gonna steal my lavender?
You got her?
Yeah.
Come on. You want to try that?
Oh, you wanna choke me the fuck out? Oh, you wanna choke me out, girl? Do you wanna choke me out, girl? Holy fuck! Oh, you really wanna choke me out, girl? Bitch, I was not doing nothing to you. You wanna choke me? My grandparents could not find me for weeks! Okay, and your bitch-ass officers were like, oh, you're gonna be okay, you're gonna say this is right, but all you guys do is fucking lie! Fuck-ass bitch-ass!
I pity the officer who had to take her to the station because she isn't going to quiet down so easily. The scene is about to get even more intense, and you won't believe what happens next. What do you think is going to happen to her? Drop your predictions in the comments below.
Over here.
Oh, you're gonna tie me down, sir? Pussy ass bitch, bro. All y'all want of me is your motherfucking quota!
The lady's in deep trouble. DUI for alcohol or drugs and possession of controlled substances without a prescription. The court drops the hammer, slamming her guilty for DUI and withholding judgment for drug possession.